Now, this is how we can call numbers or like random numbers on an iPad. So as you notice, you don't have any kind of phone app on the iPad. Just like on the phone, we can open up the phone and have the dial pad where you can dial up any number you want. We don't have that on the iPad. So what can we do about this? Well, there are some options. For example, you might download a third-party app like Google Voice, for example, which is an app that is going to give you a phone number and you can perform calls over the internet using that number. Kind of useful. And this app is also going to give you a dial pad. So using this app, you can dial up any number and just call them to a degree, but sort of yes. So that's one of the options. However, if you just want to call someone over FaceTime or some other way, since we don't have the phone app with a dial pad, we need to open up the contacts and instead start a brand new contact where you can type in their name or whatever. And in the number field, just type their number in and you'll be able to save it. So what this essentially means that anytime you located that contact, you can tap on the phone icon and you can call them through the FaceTime if that's available, or Google Meet, or even some other third-party app for the video calls. So that's how you can call technically numbers on the iPad. That's how it works. Of course, the iPad doesn't have a SIM card slot, or at least the cellular capabilities of an iPhone. So it works different. It's an iPad. It's more of a computer than a phone. So that's the current situation. So if you have some more thoughts or questions about this, leave them below in the comment. Thanks a lot for watching, and most definitely subscribe to this channel because I publish so many tutorials and I believe that at least some of them will be useful for you. So thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later.